Hi, welcome to the second part of the multi-body housing, now the interior in Onshape. So let's hide those bodies and maybe move the bar up, scroll down and move this bar before the Boolean operation. Now let's hide the last one. Then I need a sketch on the front plane. Okay, and this would be something like should be, let me check, not quite sure. It's a profile which goes like this, then it goes a little bit up, over there, down, right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down, over there, and up. Okay, now let's give it some constraints. So this one should be right there, this one should be right there, or nope, that's wrong, so just redo. The whole thing is smaller, so let's move this a little bit, this a little bit, because this one should be aligned with that one. So let's align like this. Okay. Now let's give it some dimensions. One right here. Then another one right there. One over here. This should be aligned. Dimension. Dimension. Now let's use the values, which should be 11.5. This should be 16. This might be 27. This one 23, and this one 28. 16. And this should be aligned. This might be, let's say, 4. This one might be 20. No. This might be 10. Yeah, for example. Finish the sketch, make a revolve, make sure it's in a new body with that sketch around that axis, and new body, confirm. Let's take a look. Let's show this one. Yes. And maybe change this to translucent. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, now I want to add some fillets right here, so maybe I just hide this one and I renamed that body to right eye. So go for fillet. Let's see, 5mm is okay. That's too much, so go for, let's say, 3mm. And confirm. Very nice. Now I need another sketch on the front plane. And maybe hide this one as well. And this could look something like sort of a L. Okay. Now let's add some constraints. This should be aligned with that one. This should be aligned with this plane. And then I need some dimensions. This could be maybe 40. This might be 8, and this could be 16, and that might be 17 or 18. Okay, confirm, then make another revolve, again in a new body. That's the sketch, that's the axis, and confirm. If you want to add a fillet, right on that edge and on this one, and make it, let's say, 1mm, and confirm. So now I got this, and let's call it center eye for interior. Okay, last sketch right on that plane. And this could look something like maybe like this, and let's close this one. Align it to the planes. That should be aligned with this plane, this one with that plane, that with the axis plane. Come on, give it some dimensions. This should be 31. This might be 26. This could be let's say 16. This might be 16 as well, and that distance could be for example 18. Or let's make this 20. Okay, then this distance might be 22. That one might be 18, or let's say not 18 but 14. It doesn't really matter. And this could be 8. And the last one, maybe right here, could be 4. Confirm. Now let's make another revolve. Make sure it's a new body. So this should be rotated around that axis, and confirm. Now let's show our bodies and rename this one. So that's the left interior, left eye. And if I show them all, right now it looks like this. So let's see if I could combine those three. I suppose, as far as I remember, it doesn't work in Onshape, but let's try. So could I combine, could I make a union with these? Or should I just combine all the exterior and then remove the interior? I will go for this option. So let's combine. Oh no, it's already combined. I forgot. There's a Boolean. So I move my bar 1 down. like this. So these are united, and then I will remove these three parts or bodies from that one. So go for Boolean, now make a subtract. The target is the center X, and I want to no, that's the tools. That's strange. So the target should be the center X, and the tools should be right eye, center eye, left eye, and confirm. And if I switch my visuals to, let's say, shaded like this, you see it looks pretty good. Now I could hide all my planes like this. Oh, there's something wrong. So let's take a look. Seems one dimension is not correct. So I move my bar right up. That's a little bit hard to get. Move it up. Let's take a look. What's wrong? Right here. So maybe this should be, that's the center one. Let's hide, 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 hide and hide. And make it transparent and check. So something is not correct. So maybe that sketch 8, sketch 7. Let's take a look at sketch 7. Seems okay. That's one. That plane, that's the bottom plane, that's this one. Yeah. That's okay. And sketch 3, sketch 1, 2, sketch 2. That's okay. Sketch 4, sketch 5, that's the one I forgot. Maybe that's wrong, so go for sketch 5. Yeah, seems to be okay as well. That's kind of odd, but maybe. So move it down once, twice. Oh, I see. I didn't remove it, that's the problem. I thought I clicked, but it's from time to time it's very slow, and so that click might be not registered. So let's go to this Boolean 2 and put that one to the tools and confirm. Now it should be okay. Let's hide the bottom plane. Take a look. Shaded without edges. Yes, that looks nice. And I can move this even once more, one down below. Very nice. Go for shaded. I want to add some chamfers. So where are the chamfers? Here they are. Make it not make it one right here, one right there, one here, one there, and maybe one right here. There one more, no, that should be okay. And then I need some holes. That would be the last thing I would do with a model. Therefore I need a sketch on the plane, which is, that's the right exterior plane. Yeah, that's the one. And view normal to sketch plane. I need a point, and that should be somewhere over here. And let's show our planes. Show all planes. Now I can make a dimension or a constraint. This point should be in that plane. And it should have a distance from that one. And this should be 38, and confirm. It would be nice to have a sort of axis, or I could use this revolve. Okay, let's go for my hole. That hole should be right here. It should not go through, it should be blind. Diameter should be what's the diameter? Maybe it's 6 or 7. Go for 6. And the depth should be 15. Confirm. Now let's make a circular pattern, and I want to pattern a feature. That's the feature, and the axis should be that revolve, and I want to have 6. Okay. Now I could mirror this pattern because there's no thread definition. If you have a thread definition, take care if you mirror a hole with a thread, because it could turn the thread in the opposite direction. But in this case there's no problem, so I should go for a mirror. I want to mirror the circular pattern and the hole. These two. Where's this? There's it. Mirror. I want to mirror feature. I want to mirror the pattern and the hole. Okay, and the mirror plane should be the right plane. Let's confirm and take a look. Very nice, and I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed the second part. If yes, give it a like. If you want to see more, give it a like. Leave some comment. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one, which should be part 2 in Fusion 360. Bye bye.